So last week, I saw someone trying to clean a warehouse with a tiny mop. I was like, wait, it's 2025, we are still doing this? Tiny mop, big spaces. It's like bringing spoons to a sword fight. But hey, have you ever getting stuck in cleaning a big spaces, like a mall or a warehouse? First, it takes forever to clean up big spaces, like you are going on the same spot again and again, like you are on a treadmill. Second, it takes a whole squad to finish the job. More people, more money out of your pocket. Ouch. Third, top stamps. These stamps are just like the final boss in a video game. They're just like, don't die. Fourth, some machine just dies halfway through. They're like, battery though, please suffered. Don't get me started on the noises. The machines are louder than my alarm clock. And that's saying something. I feel like I heard those things before, Sam. And that's why little sweeper and scrubbers actually make sense here. Let's break it down now, shall we? First, they clean up big spaces really fast, so you're not stuck in a cleaning job. Second, you don't need a whole squad to clean up spaces. Why? The machines are efficient. Real life savings there. Third, top stamps, gone. These machines handle dirt like a pro. And battery life? Are they reliable? Of course. And they are quiet. You can clean without blasting everyone's ears. So it cleans better, it saves time, it saves money, and they are quiet. And battery lasts. Solid, right? By the way, what's the biggest cleaning fail you ever seen? Drop it in a comment. I can't wait to hear those stories. Alright, that's it from me. I'm gonna go clean, readjust my deck. So if this helped, drop a like or subscribe. Totally your call.